Hey there, folks. Today I'm diving into the craziest stock market crashes ever. First up, the granddaddy of them all, 1929. The Wall Street crash, also known as the Great Crash. Imagine the roaring 20s, jazz, flappers, and a booming economy where everyone thought stocks would go up forever. People borrowed money to invest. Yikes. Then boom, October 1929, it all came crashing down. Stocks fell like a lead balloon, some 89% over the next few years. Fun fact, this crash kick-started the Great Depression, a global economic hangover that lasted a decade. Not so jazzy after all. Next, Black Monday, 1987, the one-day panic attack, October 19th, 1987. The market dropped 22.6% in one day, like one actual Monday. Nobody's entirely sure why it fell so hard and fast. A mix of new computer trading, early algorithms went wild, and global panic. Imagine waking up, drinking coffee, and by bedtime your life savings are 22% lighter. Then, the dot-com bubble, 2000 to 2002, the internet hangover, late 90s, everyone and their dog was investing in tech, had .com in your name, boom, instant millionaire. Then, reality check, most of these companies made zero money. From 2000 to 2002, the Nasdaq lost 78%. Ouch, digital dreams went poof. Next, the 2008 global financial crisis. The housing bubble goes boom. Banks gave out mortgages like candy. People bought homes they couldn't afford. Wall Street bundled these toxic loans and called them gold. Spoiler, they weren't. When it all collapsed, the S&P 500 fell about 57%. Banks failed. Lehman Brothers vanished overnight. It took years to recover. Cue the big short and everyone suddenly becoming mortgage experts. Then the COVID crash in 2020, the pandemic panic. In March 2020, the world shut down. Stocks dropped about 34% in 1 month. Fastest crash ever. But here's the twist. It also became the fastest rebound in history. Trillions in stimulus and the everyone trading from home boom shot markets back up. Honorable mention, GameStop and meme stocks. 2021, Reddit versus Wall Street. Not a crash, but absolute chaos. A bunch of Redditors turned GameStop into a rocket ship. Hedge funds lost billions. The internet broke. And the stock market felt more like a casino, and somehow it kind of worked for a while. So what's the lesson? Markets go up, markets go down. Crashes are scary, but they're part of the ride. Just like climbing, sometimes you fall, but if you're harnessed, aka diversification and patience, is strong, you'll be okay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into stock market history, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next video. And now, the latest plot twist to our stock market rollercoaster saga, the tariff turmoil of 2025. Buckle up. April 2025, the world woke up to the news of a massive trade war between two economic giants. The US and China were at it again, slapping tariffs on each other's goods like kids in a playground fight. This round of tariffs was particularly nasty, targeting essential tech and agricultural products. Imagine waking up to find your favorite gadgets and groceries just got a whole lot more expensive. The market reaction, absolute chaos. Stocks plummeted as investors panicked, fearing the worst. The Dow dropped 15% in a single week, a breathtaking fall that left everyone from Wall Street to Main Street gasping for air. The plot twist? Just when it seemed like the market was on a one-way trip to rock bottom, cooler heads prevailed. Trade negotiations resumed, and a tentative agreement was reached, halting the freefall. The takeaway? The market's like a high-stakes game of ping-pong, especially when politics enters the arena. Trade wars can send stocks on wild rides, but as always, seasoned investors know to hang tight and ride out the volatility. Want to visualize this roller coaster? Imagine the market charts looking like one of your climbing routes, full of unexpected drops and exhilarating ascents. So remember, no matter how wild the ride, staying informed and diversified can help you navigate the ups and downs. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this deep dive into market mayhem intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.